Disapproved.
Mr. President, at this point, no member wishes to interpolate or ask any question on the said measure. And so I'm moving now, Mr. President, to close the period of interpolations and debate. So move, Mr. President.
Is there objection? There being none, motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move that you open the period of amendments.
Is there objection? There being none, period of amendments hereby open.
May we know from the sponsor if there are amendments, Mr. President?
Mahal na Pangulo, wala po tayong amendment.
With that, Mr. President, and no committee nor individual amendments, I now move that we close the period of individual and committee amendments. So move, Mr. President.
There objection? There being none, motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move that we approve on second reading Senate Bill number 2613. I so move, Mr. President.
There objection? There being none, motion is approved. Senate Bill number 2613 is approved on second reading.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. We congratulate the distinguished sponsor, Senator Robin Hood Padilla. I now move that we suspend consideration of Senate Bill number 2613. So move, Mr. President.
Yes, we congratulate Senator Robin Hood Padilla. Is there objection? There being none, motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. President. The gentleman from Camarines Norte and Nueva Ecija, Senator Robin Hood Padilla, is seeking the floor. I move that he be recognized, Mr. President.
Senator Robin Hood Padilla is recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo. Ako po'y nagpapasalamat din sa ating pinunong mayorya at sa ating pong pinunong minorya at sa lahat po ng mga kasama natin sa Senado na sumuporta ko. Katulad po ni Senator Win Gatchalian, Senator Joel Villanueva, Senator Bato, Senator Loren, Senator Bong Revilla, Senator JV, Senator Rafi, Senator Mick Subiri. Sa lahat po, maraming salamat po. Ganon din po sa mga kasama po nating mambabatas sa House. Sila Congressman Dimaporo, Lalipe, Palma, Hataman, Arbison, Mastura, Dimaporo, Sakaluran, Abalos, Adyong, Balindong, Sali, Paglas. Napakahalaga po ng Sharia sa mga Muslim. Ito po ang buhay namin. Kaya ito pong panukala na ito ay isang katuparan ng aming mga dasal. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.
President, with the permission of Senator Robin Padilla, can you delete also?
Yes, Senator
For
Lee.
sponsor.
Yes, noted.
Isang karangalan po ang makasama namin sa panukala na ito, ang aming Godfather sa Pangsamoro.
Majority Leader.
I ask for a minute suspension, Mr. President.
Session suspended.